Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dream View channel. Now I am going to tell you about Whirlpool 260 liters frost-free triple door refrigerator. First, we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 260 liters, good for families of 3 to 5 members. Compressor type, reciprocating compressor. Defrosting type, frost-free auto fridge defrost to stop ice buildup. Specifications. Generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit, user manual and warranty card. Type, triple door. Refrigerator type, top freezer refrigerator. Defrosting type, frost free. Compressor type, reciprocating. Capacity 260 liters. Number of doors 3. Number of refrigerator shelves 3. Coming to the warranty, it has 1 year on refrigerator and 10 years on compressor. Cost price 25,990 rupees only. To order this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dreamview channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.